time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at amsoil.com.
Right guys, this is the new project. Got 99 Honda Shadow. This is the 1100 and it's already had a few custom bits done to it. A few things I want to change. Headlight's a little too small for my liking. Strip some stuff off of it. I like the exhaust. I think take the sissy bar off and do some little things, see what we can make happen, but it's got brand new paint on it, and it's huge. This thing is a huge bike, so it's actually perfect for my size. And the seat's nice and wide. Battery is needing a little charge, so put that on there. But I think it's gonna work. I rode it at his house when I picked it up, and seemed to be okay. All right guys, this is just a few minutes of work on this thing, and just removing some stuff, changing some stuff. Got sissy bar off, got seat off of here. Gonna get some new bolts for the rear. It did charge up fine. Starts up good, pretty quickly actually. It does pretty good, but take off a couple more things, change up some things, like I said. But it looks pretty slick. Alright guys, I pretty much took it for its first ride, and it did pretty good. Day and I, we haven't washed it. It just wiped it down a little bit, kind of polished up a little bit of the chrome, and blacked out the front tire as good as we could. So it's a lot easier to make the front tire black than it is to try to make the back one white. It's got a tiny bit of life left, and I'll have to get a new one, but got the rear seat off and cleaned it all up. The sissy bar is gone, the little tank strap is gone, the useless Speedo is gone. So now I need to get bigger headlight, possibly a front fender, front tire, different bolts for the rear, clean up some stuff, touch up some stuff. But overall, it's not a bad bike. I mean, especially, heck, 7 feet away, it's a 7-footer. That's pretty good, right? So there you go. But I think it's looking pretty good. Right guys, got it out here washing it now, and I'm using some water and some soap and everything, normal car wash stuff. But I actually went through and coated the whole bike with Patterson Car Care, the Dust Brake Pro, and this stuff is pretty amazing. Most time people just use it on obviously wheels, right? Look at this stuff. You see all the purple in here? That's it eating all this crap off the wheels, and they're already becoming shinier as it sits, all the purple running down the thing. But I actually coat everything down below the paint, up inside places. It actually sprays really nice. You can actually get up in these places and it eats away all this nastiness, and you see some of the purple coming out in here. It's kind of crazy, and it's all us. It's like eating rust, seems like it's going through this, taking care of all this crap. Pretty amazing. guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.